How good English helps factory workers in digital presence and personal branding. Many people assume that factory workers do not need personal branding. But in today's digital world, even workers can benefit from building a strong online presence. Good English is a powerful tool that helps them stand out and grow in their careers. 1. Professional identity online. By using platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or WhatsApp groups, workers can share their skills, training, and work experience. Writing in good English makes their posts clear, professional, and impressive, creating a positive personal brand. 2. Better job and career opportunities. Employers often check digital profiles before hiring. Workers who present themselves in good English on resumes or social media gain better visibility and are more likely to be noticed by recruiters. 3. Communication, respect and growth. Good English allows workers to connect with global managers, trainers, and peers, showing confidence and responsibility. It also helps them share achievements, earn recognition, and learn from digital resources worldwide. Checkmark. In short, good English builds confidence, respect, and visibility for factory workers, strengthening their digital presence and personal branding.